The first and most effective step is cleaning the filter system. This solves 70% of drainage issues and should be your starting point. The filter system consists of 3 components located at the bottom of your dishwasher. The coarse filter catches large food particles, the fine filter traps smaller debris, and the cylindrical filter works with the fine filter for complete filtration. To clean the filters, first remove the bottom dish rack to access the filter area. The cylindrical filter unscrews counterclockwise. Lift out the coarse filter, then remove the fine mesh filter underneath. Rinse the filters under hot water at 60 degrees Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit. Use a soft brush to remove stubborn debris, but avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the filters. If filter cleaning doesn't solve the problem, the next step is inspecting the drain hose. This addresses about 20% of remaining drainage issues. First, disconnect the power for safety. The drain hose is typically connected under your kitchen sink. Check for kinks or bent sections that could restrict water flow. Straighten any bent sections and ensure all connections are tight and leak-free. For stubborn clogs, use a pipe snake to clear the blockage. If the problem persists, the issue may be with the drain pump. This requires more advanced troubleshooting and often professional assistance. Listen for a humming sound during the drain cycle, which indicates the pump is trying to operate. Check for visible obstructions around the pump area and remove any debris you can see. Regular maintenance is key to preventing drainage problems. Follow this simple schedule to keep your dishwasher running optimally and extend its lifespan significantly. Following these steps and maintenance practices can reduce major repairs by 85% and extend your dishwasher's life by 3 to 5 years. Regular filter cleaning alone solves most drainage issues and costs just $20 to $30 annually in supplies.